Hi guys, this is Anika and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating this very beautiful copperish orangish look by using all new NARS products. So if you wanted to see how I created this look, keep watching the video.
So starting with prepping my face, I'm using Pixi Vitamin C Under Eye Brightener. This Vitamin C infused under eye perfector blurs and energizes to give an instant awakening effect. Next, I'm using Vitamin C Brightening Perfector. It is a Vitamin C infused complexion enhancer, blurs and perfect to give a skin dewy radiant finish. Moving on to the primer, I'm using my most favorite Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Now for the concealer, using again my most favorite NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I'm in the shade Marine Glaze. It's for light to medium skin with yellow undertones. It is a full coverage oil-free concealer that conceals imperfections with a natural looking finish. Now come the star of the show, the NARS new Extreme Effect eyeshadow palette. Now taking the most intense color from this palette called Uncensored Black. It is a very creamy eyeshadow with a little sheen to it. Just working at my outer corners and the lash line, just giving a very smoky effect. Now taking this very beautiful brown rusty color called Take Control Magnum. It is a super matte eyeshadow. This palette is extremely pigmented. The payoff is amazing and the colors are blending like a dream. Just blending this color in my crease with the black that I have already added. Now to blend those two colors, I'm taking this very pretty peach shadow called Blow Magnum. It is also a matte eyeshadow and I'm just creating a transition shade to blend those two colors. Now to add a little depth, I'm using this mauvey purple color called Private Eye Shameless Shimmer. This color is very creamy but it has a little sheen to it. I'm working with this eyeshadow mainly on my crease line to blend all the colors together because blending is the only game for a flawless eye look. It's time to add some pop of color. I'm using this very pretty orange all the way Shameless Shimmer eyeshadow from this palette. This is very creamy guys. I would say I'm really impressed with this palette. The best part is these eyeshadows are super easy to work with and they are super pigmented. Now moving on to the face, I'm using NARS Illuminator in the shade Copacabana. I apply this illuminator on the highlighting part of my face and blend them together. So next I can use the foundation on it. Now for the foundation, I'm using my recent favorite NARS Super Matte Complete Foundation in the shade Santa Fe. Now why I love this foundation and always brag about it, because it's a true color oxidization resistant. It is a full coverage natural looking foundation and it is a comfortable wear of 16 long hours. I mean, a wow. Now again I'm using the same NARS Soft Matte Concealer to conceal my under eyes and nose area and the forehead, and then I will blend them together. Now to bring the color in my lower lash line, I'm using the same orange color which is called All the Way Shameless and a little bit of brown. To highlight the inner corners and the brow bone area, I'm using Endowed Shameless Shimmer from this palette. Now moving on to the contouring, I'm using NARS Contour Blush in the shade Melina. It is a duo of contouring blush shades that create natural looking dimension with a matte, lightweight finish, and I just absolutely love to work with it. It is very easy to blend in. And now working on my nose, giving a little dimension, and then blending in for no harsh lines. Now for some pop of the cheeks, I'm using Milani Baked Blush in the shade Rose d'Oro. It is a very pretty orange shade with little sheen to it and gives a very nice glow. Now for the highlighter, I'm using Pixi Glowy Powder in the shade Peachy Glow. It is a very pretty highlighter and it is subtle, not that too shimmery, just pretty. Last but not the least, I'm using Gerard Cosmetics matte lipsticks in the shade Sedona and Iced Mocha. I just love the formula of these lipstick guys. You must have to try them. Now introducing you the new NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. The best I have used so far, and you know why? Because it is extremely black and pigmented. It gives instant explosive volume to your lashes from roots to tip. And with the minimum effort, you get lashes just like falsies. Can you see the difference? And guys, here we are done.
Now that we have reached to the end of the video, I hope you have liked my look, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the bell button so you don't miss my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
We dance,